Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming what you're adjusting and why. Grab the cables, adapters, or headset and locate the sound panel. Once done, open the OS sound settings and identify the active output device name so you don't change the wrong device. Make sure drivers or firmware are available before proceeding. If not, download the latest ones. Then set the device as default and check volume levels. This initial setup prevents wasted steps and ensures the rest of the process goes smoothly. Now you'll fine-tune sound quality and behavior. First, set the default output and then open per app volume to balance levels. This prevents one app from blasting audio. Next, adjust sample rate and bit depth, 44. 1 kHz or 48 kHz are common, and toggle enhancements like equalizer or spatial sound to taste. Use exclusive mode only if required for low-latency apps. Once configured, play a familiar track to judge clarity and bass, and make small iterative changes. Finish by saving any profiles or exporting settings so you can restore them later, and reboot to confirm everything persists. If you encounter no sound, first check physical connections, ensure the correct device is default, and verify individual apps aren't muted. Should problems continue, reinstall or roll back the audio driver and restart the audio service or process. This often clears conflicts. If you still have issues, use a different cable or test another device to isolate hardware versus software causes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.